The relationship between Ethiopia and Somalia has been shaped by complex dynamics, including shared ethnic groups, colonial legacies, and territorial disputes. Before European colonization, the Somali people and their Ethiopian neighbors interacted through trade, migration, and cultural exchange. Tensions arose as Somali clans expanded into historically contested territories, including the Ogaden region. During the scramble for Africa, colonial powers divided Somali territories, sowing seeds for future conflicts. The Ogaden War saw Somalia invade the Ogaden region, to unite Somali inhabited regions. Initially, Somalia advanced, but Ethiopia, backed by the Soviet Union, mounted a counter-offensive. The war ended in a costly defeat for Somalia, weakening the Barre regime and causing internal instability. Post-war, relations remained tense, with Ethiopia intervening in Somalia as internal conflicts arose. Despite conflicts, recent cooperation includes counter-terrorism efforts and growing trade ties. Both nations work together within frameworks like AMISOM to combat extremist threats. Economic ties are enhancing, with Ethiopia seeking access to Somali ports, benefiting both countries.